Hello, in this video, we will see how to use Power Automate Desktop to merge multiple PDF files into a single file. In the Actions panel, search for Get Files in folder and drag it to the main panel. Then choose the folder that contains the PDF files. This action has multiple options that can be used based on the requirements. After that, open the Action panel and select the Merge PDF Files action. Then select the variable generated in the previous action for this step. Once the above actions are completed, click Run, and you will get the result. Happy automation! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.